Okay, so if you saw my video, my other video about the Spellbound color and Frenchy lip and cheek, that is what I have on now. And I just wanted to show a quick um, eyeshadow color from Seint that kind of goes along those same lines of pinkish nude colors. So I'm taking my under shadow primer for eyelids, and that really just cancels out those discolorations in the top eyelid. I know that it's a pain to just do another step, but I swear to you, it just makes your eyeshadow last a lot longer, and it makes all the difference when I'm using eyeshadow colors and they just stay put. So that one I use and I ordered from Amazon, which I will put on my Amazon store. I'm in the process of adding that, so I'm excited. I've got a lot of work to do, and I've got a new website, so that's totally cool too. I've got it linked in my bio on my Instagram, so if you'd like to check that out, and if you're thinking about making one for yourself, that's a really super easy to use. It's called M-Shake, I think, and it's just so user friendly. It's really great for creators. Here is my romantic shades that I use. Peppa, and then I've got Lullaby, and then the one I'm going to use is, let me just make sure I'm getting the name right, Pup. So this color, it's just a very basic color that if you're not going anywhere and you just want to have your face having a nice all over, shade, where if you have discoloration like me in the winter, it's like I feel like I look like a zombie. It's just I'm so washed out. And so this look right here is just the natural look. I am not doing glam when I'm doing laundry at home. And I might run to the store or something, but I'm not going to glam out myself. All of this Seint makeup, I think some people have the wrong idea and they're like, oh, I don't need all that glam look. Well, you can glam it, but like everything that I show you and use is like basic looks. I like the browns and earth tone colors. And this is probably the brightest color lipstick color I will wear, which is Lip and Cheek from Seint. But theirs is so easy. I'm not a lipstick person. I have like the MAC lipstick here, but anyway, I don't use it. It's just the palette idea is amazing. It's just right there, and it's all in one compact. So, not to get off topic, but that is the simple eyeshadow look, and then follow it up with whatever mascara. This seems to be my favorite. L'Oreal Paradise. I've got some others that I've tried recently, and I just keep going back to this one. There might be like, I don't know. I don't know what the difference is. Maybe it's the brush, but I feel like this brush is a lot like the Too Faced, popular Too Faced brand everybody likes. And I have that one too. Yep. That one. It's got a lot of fallout, so I'm not really impressed. I went to church yesterday and I had a dot of black here and then here, and I don't like that. I don't want to have to go and retouch my face and look at my face all day long. That's not why I wear Seint. So I just threw this on, and it's just the L'Oreal, and it's been the best stuff. So that is my eyeshadow tip for the day. And all of these are from Seint, and they have lasted me, some of them, 4 or 5 years. Pup, I use a lot, so this one's probably 6 months old, which is very new. A lot of these, rest of these, I have had them for like 4 or 5 years, and they're amazing. Amazing. And then this is a lip and cheek color, which is that purplish nude pink, and that has lasted me forever too. Some really good stuff out there, and I encourage you to have a look around and see what you like, see if there's something you want to try, and I can answer any questions you might have about it.